Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special, oh yeah, Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you don't like this item, check out their other items they might have to offer you guys. But I'm sure you guys will like this one and definitely get use out of it. So here we go, guys. This is coming from Ozone. Not sure where it's coming from. Here we go. Luxroom. Luxroom. Take a look at this little guy. Deep Deodorization. Ozone Odor Eliminator. This comes in handy. Especially if you have got pets. Food preservers. I can't even pronounce it. It's right there. 30 days battery life. 99% sterilization. Ooh. Now, like I said, you can hook it up in your closet and your other places, in your fridge. Manual. Got the USB to charge it. Alright, got a little clip here. Oh, that's cool. We definitely needed a clip to hang it somewhere. Got that. It's a pretty long cord. Pretty long USB. End to end. Now here's the little guy. Don't be shy. There we go. So happy Lunar New Year to everybody. Now the holiday, I do believe, is over. Let the New Year start. So this is what it looks like. Definitely portable, lightweight, easy to carry on. Take this clip, lock it in, like so. Now, like I said, you can hang this in the closet, any place you need to sterilization. Oh, green lights go. I can feel it. It's super quiet. I need to charge it. Yep. Alright, let me charge this thing up, and then we'll put it in probably the closet for now. But like I said, you could use it in a fridge. My fridge is messy, so I gotta clean that out today. But looks good. Be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I got it charged before I show the install. Well, actually, I could put it somewhere in here. Save me a trip. Fresh keeping mode. Long press the switch button for 2 seconds to start the fresh keeping mode. Under the fresh keeping mode, the LED indicator is red in breathing status. I got it on a different mode. That's the first mode, fresh keeping mode. That's to keep everything fresh, like fruits and whatever you have in your fridge. Deep deodorization mode. Double click the switch button to start the deep deodorization mode. Under deep mode, the LED indicator is constantly red. So the product releases active oxygen for 30 minutes and sleeps for 30 minutes. Oh. It takes about approximately 3 days for the process to complete. When the product is working, press the switch button for 2 seconds to turn it off. And okay, this shows you how to charge it. It's pretty simple. You just use the USB adapter or USB plug, and you could do it that way, charge it in the wall. Okay, so 1, 2. There we go. Should flash. We got it now. Time. Here we go. Okay, so you can just have it hanging, flip it onto something. Gotta find something to clip it to. There we go. So you can have it hanging right there. So like I said, you can hang it in your fridge, you can hang it in your closets, anywhere that you need cleaning. So definitely take advantage of the sale they got going on now and see what other items they have to offer besides this item. Definitely going to come in handy. Deep, deep. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great weekend and see you soon.